In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a board admin in Jira Board. If you're managing a project in Jira and need to delegate some administrative duties to others, this process will come in handy. Let's dive into it so you can enhance collaboration and efficiency on your board. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific board where you want to add an administrator. You might be managing several projects, so be sure to choose the correct board to avoid any accidental changes. Once you've successfully located your desired board, it's time to proceed to the next step. Next, direct your attention to the top part of the screen where your project's name is visibly displayed. You'll notice three dots conveniently placed next to the project's name. These three dots symbolize a menu with a range of options. Go ahead and click them to reveal more settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, your next move will be to select Board Settings. Doing so will take you to the control center for your board, an area where you can manage various configurations. Now that you're on the board settings screen, your task is to find the administrators field. This section is key to assigning new admins to your board. Take a moment to locate this area, as it's integral to making the necessary changes. It's designed to be easily accessible, so you should have no trouble identifying it. Once you've found the administrators field, the next step involves clicking on it. This action will open up a space where you can input your desired users. Start by typing the names of the individuals or groups you want to designate as administrators. As you type, suggestions might appear if you've assigned these users in the past, streamlining your task even further. This step ensures that you're bringing the right people on board to manage different aspects of your project effectively. When you've finished entering all necessary users or groups, simply click outside the field to complete the process. This action will save your changes, officially adding the new administrators to your board. It's a straightforward yet vital part of the process to secure your board settings. And there you have it. Adding an admin to your Jira board is as simple as that. This task not only eases the burden on you as the main admin, but also empowers your team, enhances collaborative efforts, and ultimately drives productivity. So go on, try it out on your Jira board and enjoy the benefits of shared administration in your projects. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insightful tips and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching.